Hey, friends! Look at these cool vehicles. Do you know their names? They ran away before we could play with them. Gotta find them. Let's fill in these gaps, friends. This is a bus. And what's this? A car. Here it goes. And this is a police car. Oh, this is the police car from our puzzle. Where does this piece fit? Right here. Another one. Here it goes. And the last piece. Police cars have flashing red and blue lights. What are these blocks for? Ah, we need them to build this machine. We need to use the yellow ones, like this. Another one. And one more. Here it goes. We need 2 more blocks. 1 and 2. All done. Woohoo! We got an excavator. Let's put it in its place. Another piece. And this is its arm. An excavator digs big holes using a long arm and a bucket. Wow, so many vehicles. Let's find this one. Aha, it's a train. This one's next. It's a spaceship. Do you know this machine? Right, it's an excavator. How about this vehicle? It's a ship. And what's this? A fire truck. Good news! We got a fire truck for our puzzle. Let's put it together. And the wheels. Let's fill in these gaps. What's this? Ah, it's a train. How about this spot? We need a plane here. There's still a lot of empty spots left. Let's fill in this one. What vehicle do we need? A fire truck. How about this one? Is it here? This is the right one. A police car. We're halfway there. Keep going. Next one. Do you see the matching vehicle? What fits this shape? Gotcha. It's a ship. Next. I think this is the one we need. A car. Let's fill this gap. An excavator fits perfectly. And the last vehicle is an ambulance. Yay! This ambulance belongs to our puzzle. Let's help it get back. This piece goes right here. This one is next to it. The roof. And the wheels. We did it! All the vehicles are back again. Good job, guys. Bye-bye.